Class 6 Mathematics. I am R.S. Prasad sir. Today I will start your chapter 16 and that is the mensuration 1. Let us start what will be in your chapter. So first of all, area of square. As you know, square has two sides and that sides are equal. So we can say it is the side and side. So the area of square is equal to side into side, this one side into side, and it will be said that the side is square, and the unit is square unit. You can write square unit. Yes, now come to the first one, the area of object in the shape covered by it on a plane surface. Second, the area of rectangle. Always remember, area of rectangle is equal to length into width, because rectangle has two sides. That one is the first one is the length. This is called as length, and this is your width. So length into width, that is the area. Area of rectangle is equal to length into width. Now third one is the area of square. I have told. So that is the side into side into side, that means side square. And the unit of area is square unit. Always remember, unit of square area or any other area, that is the square unit. So let us start what will be your example number 1. If the side of a square is 5 centimeters, so you have to write side. Side is equal to 5 centimeters. So area of square, you can write here area of square. It will be side square. So you have to write here 5 square. That means 5 into 5, and 5 are 25, and unit is centimeter square, and that is your answer. Now come to the example 2. Rectangle is 7 centimeter long. That means it is given as length. So you have to write length. Length will be equal to given as it is 7 centimeter. And the breadth, or you can say width is given as 3 centimeters. Length is 7 centimeter and width is 3 centimeter. Find its area. So you have to write area of rectangle. Area of rectangle, that means length into width. So you can write WIDTH. So length is given as 7 centimeters. So you have to write 7, and width is 3 centimeters, and the unit is centimeter square. So you have to write centimeter square. 7 3 that is 21, and the unit is centimeter square, and that is your answer. Let us start the example 3. Find the area of a square whose side is 8 centimeter. So first of all, side of a square, or you can say side only. Side is given as 8 centimeter. So area of square, that means side square. The formula is side square. So side is given as 8 centimeters. So 8 square, that means 8 into 8, and that is the 64 centimeter square. Unit is centimeter square. Unit is must to write here. Now come to the next. This is the exercise 16. Recognize the closed figure. Which one is closed? Which it is a closed figure. So you can see here it is not open anywhere. Those figure which is open anywhere, that is not called as closure. Which is closed everywhere, that is called as closed figure. So this is here closed figure. So you can see here it is also a closed figure. It's a closed figure. And this is also closed figure. So you can write here closed figure. But it is not closed figure. So you can say it is not closed figure. So you can write here not because it is open here. You can see here it is open here, not closed figure. It is closed figure everywhere. You can see it is closed. So it is correct. So it is closed figure. Now it is also closed figure. It is also closed figure. It will be not closed because it is open here. But the handle is closed. Handle is also not closed here. So it will be not closed here. You can see here is not closed. You can see it is not here closed. So it is not closed figure. Not closed figure. Now come to the next. There are so many figures and this one is not because it is open. So it is not closed figure. So not closed figure. You can see it is not closed because it is open here. So it is not closed figure. It is not closed figure. You can see in this, it is closed figure. You can see here everywhere, it is closed figure. You can see it is not closed because it is open here. So you can write here, it is not closed figure. Now it is also not closed figure. This one is open here, but upper part is closed. This part is closed figure. So you can write here closed figure and it is not closed figure. And here is, you can see it is not closed figure because it is open here and it is also open. So, and this one is also open here. So you can see here, this is open here. So it is not closed figure. So both are not closed figure. This and this both are not closed figure. Now come to the second question. Find out the area of rectangle whose length and breadth are given. So you can write here first one is length is given and width is given. Length is given as 6 centimeter and width is given as 2 centimeter. So first of all you can write area of rectangle. The formula is length into width, or you can say breadth also, this can write here. So length is given as 6 centimeter and breadth is given as 2 centimeter, and you can write here centimeter square, and 6 2 are 12, and that is the 12 centimeter square is the correct answer. Now come to the second part of this question. What will be happen? The length is given as 10 centimeter and width is given as 1 centimeter. So area of rectangle, you have to write here area of rectangle. It is, the formula is length into width. So length is given as 10 centimeter. So you have to write 10 centimeter here, and width is 1 centimeter, and here the unit is centimeter square. So 10 when the 10, that is the 10 centimeter square, and that is your answer. Now come to the next one question. That is the third part of this question. Length is given as 12 centimeter and width is given as 6 centimeter. So area of rectangle. You have to write area of rectangle. It is, the formula is length into width. Length is given as 12 centimeter and width is given as 6 centimeter. The unit of square is centimeter square. So 6 to the 12 and 6 1 the 6 and 1 carry, that is the 7. So 72 centimeter square, and that will be your answer. Now come to the next fourth part of this question. Length is given as 13.5 centimeter and width is given as 10 centimeter. So first of all, you can write the area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to length into width, or you can say breadth also. Length is given as 13.5 centimeter and width is 10 centimeter. So unit is centimeter square. So it is 135 centimeter square, because here is only decimal, one place of decimal, it is multiplied by 10, so 10 here. So we can replace the decimal. So that is 135 centimeter square, and that will be your answer. Third question. The area of the square whose sides are given. So here is given as side centimeter. First question, side is given as 6 centimeter. So area of square, so you can write here area of square. It is the side square. Side is given as 6 centimeter, so 6 square, and here is centimeter square. And it will be 6 into 6 centimeter square, and that is 36 centimeter square. And in the second question, side is given as 12 centimeter. So area of square, you have to write here area of square. It is side square, and side is given as 12 centimeter, so you have to write 12 square, and here is unit in centimeter square, and it is a 12 into 12 centimeter square, and 12 into 12, that is the 144 centimeter square, and that is your answer. Now come to the third part of this question. The side is given as 13 centimeters. So area of square, you can write here area of square. That is the side square, formula is side square. So it will be 13 square, and here unit is centimeter square. So you have to write 13 into 13 centimeter square, and after multiplication we get 169 centimeter square, and that will be your answer. Now come to the fourth part of this question. Side is given as 3.5 centimeter. So area of square, is side square. So how can say here side square? Side is given as 3.5. So 3.5 square, and here unit is centimeter square, and it is 3.5 into 3.5, and unit is centimeter square, and it is the 12.25 centimeter square, and that is your answer. And draw the lines 1 centimeter distance horizontally and vertically inside the square, and find out the area of the square, and also verify your answer with the formula. So you can see here length is given as 5 centimeter and width is given as 4 centimeters. So let us start how can form the squares of 1 centimeter. So let us start. Draw a line 1 centimeter distance horizontally and vertically inside the square and find out the area of the square. Also verify your answer. Length is given as 5 centimeter and width is 4. So you can see here it is the 5 centimeter. That one is the 5 centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 centimeter. So that one is the 5 centimeter. And the 4 centimeter, that one is the 4 centimeter. You can see here 4 centimeter. So what will be upon the square? That is the 1 centimeter square. That is square is the 1 centimeter square. So you have to see it is 1 centimeter. That is 1 centimeter and it is also 1 centimeter. This one. So we can count how many squares. So 1 is here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Now you can see here with the help of formula. So formula area of rectangle. Area of rectangle. It is length into breadth. Width, you can say width also. Length is given as 5 and it is given as width is 4 centimeter. So that is the 20 centimeter square. So your 20, this one and this one both are equal. So you can draw this type of diagram and write this type. So that is your answer and verify. Now come to the next one and that is the second part of the length is given as 12 centimeter. So as you have to see it is the 12 centimeter. And the 2 centimeter is width, so it is given as 2 centimeters. And draw a square in 1 centimeter. So that is the 1 centimeter square is here. Now verify your answers and count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24. So 24 is the answer. Now by the formula area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to length into width. Length is given as 12 centimeter and width is 2 and it is 24 centimeter square and you have to see 24 is here, hence verified and that is your answer. Now come to the last question of this one, the side of a square 6 centimeter. You can see here it is a 6 centimeter and it is also 6 centimeter. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here. Now draw the line 1 centimeter distance. All the lines are 1 centimeter. So this is 1 centimeter. You can say it is 1 centimeter and it is also 1 centimeter. It will be 1 centimeter. So you can see all the box are 1 centimeter square. So let us see what will be happen. So first of all you can calculate with the help of formula area of square. Area of square. That is the side square and side is given as that is the 6 centimeter. So you can put the side is 6, so you can say 6 square and here is centimeter square and that is 6 into 6 and it is 36 centimeter square. So you can say centimeter square. Now it is your answer, but now verification count all the boxes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, and 36. So 36 your answer and it is the verification. Hence you have to verify all these questions answer. ये आप लोगों की एक्सरसाइज समाप्त हो रही है। नीचे एक लाल रंग का बटन दिखाई दे रहा होगा, इसको दबा के सब्सक्राइब करेंगे और ज्यादा से ज्यादा बच्चों को शेयर करेंगे। जिनके पास नहीं है उनको भी भेजने का प्रयास करेंगे जिससे वो अपनी कॉपी को कंप्लीट कर लें। थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे। इसी के साथ मेरा वीडियो समाप्त हो रहा है और मेरी वीडियो को कम से कम लाइक करेंगे। इसी के अनुसार फिर मैं अपना वीडियो बना करके देता रहूंगा। थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे।